Okay, so 9th standard students, this video is a continuation of your previous video. In the previous video, we have already gone through the points or the factors which are affecting the poverty of our country. Causes of poverty in India means our country. Now, this session or this online class, we will be discussing about the hunger mainly. Okay, the hunger and food security. So what is this hunger? The main features of poverty are hunger and penury. The poverty will be there means hunger will be there. Okay, we need minimum of 3 times meal. If a person is getting 1 time meal because of lack of money, what will happen? Hunger will be there. He will be or she will be, the person will be hungry for food, but due to lack of money, he is not able to fulfill his stomach also. Okay, so the main features of poverty are hunger and penury. What is this penury? Cramping or lack of resources. Lack of resources means such as money. Severe poverty. Okay, severe poverty means no, suppose 2 days or 3 days I am having only 1 time food. What will happen? Just imagine. The main features of poverty are hunger and penury. Poor people have low income to satisfy their basic needs. Poor people are having low income. They are having low income to fulfill their basic needs. They don't go for the luxury things. They don't think for to purchase a bike or car or a television. People's or individuals' first issue with their life is to get the food, cloth and shelter. If you don't get that, see how they will think for the other things. So poor people have low income to satisfy their basic needs. They don't have adequate money for buying food, so they face food insecurity. They don't have enough money to purchase the food also, so they face the food insecurity. That's why they have malnutrition, severe diseases are there. Okay, if you don't take food in quantity, what will happen? The disease will attack us because our immunity system, it will getting lower level. They don't have adequate money for buying food, so they face food insecurity. India faces serious hunger problem. In India, there is severe hunger problem. You can see the beggars are there who don't have anything to do. They will beg, and if they got 10 rupees also, they will have some food. If they don't get, empty stomach, they have to sleep. In order to measure the extent of hunger also is getting measured. Okay. The International Food Policy Research Institution, that is IFPRI, International Food Policy Research Institute, calculates the country-wise hunger index. Calculate country-wise, which country is having what type of hunger or what is the percentage, like body mass, BMI, all that index. Calculates the country-wise hunger index and publishes in its annual publication Global Hunger Index. So Global Hunger Index is being published by the International Food Policy Research Institute. In that they mention country wise that this country is having this much of hunger. Okay, this country is having this much of hunger. From the index only, this index or report, we can assume which country is now suffering from hunger. As per the 2015 GHI is nothing but the Global Hunger Index. 1 of every 7 people in the world goes to bed without food every day. As per their report, 1 of the 7 people of the world, every day they go to the bed without any food. This is the statistics being given by the Global Hunger Index. India's hunger index score is 29 and ranked 50 among the other countries of the world. It is in serious category. India is, suppose we are having, out of all the countries of the world, we are in the 50th position. Don't think that 50th position, oh, we are having 190 countries, we are in 50th position, so we are good. No. hunger, even 1% hunger is there means it is very bad. Okay, whatever may be, but we are this one hunger index score is 29 and we are in the 50th position of all the countries of the world according to the recent National Family Health Survey, NFHS, National Family Health Survey. Around 79% children, here you can check it out, 79% children, okay, and 58% of pregnant women suffers from anemia in India. Anemia is a very bad disease which happens due to malnutrition, lack of food. If you don't take food properly, you will be having anemia. Anemia means the less of the blood count in your body. Okay, blood will be less. So what will happen? Severe diseases will attack you, and once they attack, you don't have the immunity power to resist it. Of course, you have to face the death penalty. Okay. 1 in every 2 children, out of 2 children, 1 children, and 1 in 3 women, out of 3 women, 1 woman are underweight as per our height. If somebody is 5 feet height, no, that person must have this much of weight. It is one statistics is there. Excuse me. So as per my height, not my height, as per everybody's height, a stipulated weight should be there. If it is not there, it means that person is underweight. And even if he is more than that weight, he is overweight. But forget about this overweight regarding the connection with hunger. Here it will be only underweight. 1 of every 2 children and 1 in 3 women are underweight. 42% of the world underweight children are from India. 42% out of all the countries, 42% of the world underweight children are from India. Anemia and underweight are the result of hunger. This anemia, underweight, it all happens due to the hunger, not having adequate food. So all this will happen. Underweight will be there. No food means growth will not be there properly. Okay, anemia, diseases will attack. So underweight and anemia are the result of hunger. India being self-sufficient in the production of food grains, see, in the geography part only we have seen several food grains are getting cultivated in our country. Fruits and vegetables, and also largest producer of milk in the world. The largest producer of milk in the world is India. But it is a paradoxical, means controversial issue. Still people are suffering from hunger and malnutrition in the country. Though we are having all those cultivations of vegetables, fruits, food grains, and being the world's largest producer of milk, then also we are having this poverty, hunger, everything. Okay, so paradoxical means statement that is contradictory or opposed to common sense, yet it is perhaps true. It is true, but it is very difficult to understand how it is. See, here also you can see. See here, what happened? We know that all fruits, vegetables are there in the market. Okay, but then also we are having poverty. Okay, how come? So this is a controversial issue. Lack of purchasing power. Lack of purchasing power among the poor. Purchasing power will be less. Poverty. Why the poverty happened? Poverty happened for all these reasons. You don't have money. So lack of purchasing power among the poor and the uneven distribution of food grains. Food grains are not distributed evenly. Uneven distribution of food grain are the reason for this paradox. Okay, paradox means I told you a thing which is controversial, but yet it is true. Means something which is true, but it is very difficult to understand how it is happening. Okay, chamatkar type. So with this we have already concluded your hunger. So next class we will be doing your food security. So go through the notes, you will understand everything. Only what are the things you have to memorize, that is the thing, that what are the main features of poverty are hunger and penury. Okay, penury means severe, this one, poverty. Okay, and then what is the percentage? 78%, 79% of children and 58% of pregnant women suffers from anemia in India. Okay, anemia and underweight are the results of poverty. Okay, and then India, though having that much of food grains, fruits, vegetables, milk, then also we are having this poverty or hunger in our country, and the main reason is the less of the purchasing power of the people or the poor people, and the uneven distribution of food grains among the people. These are the two main reasons for this poverty, which is a paradox. Means this statement is controversial, but then also we know that hunger, poverty, everything is there in our country. So in the next class we will be going through with your food security. So until then, have a nice day and stay fit, stay well. Thank you.